Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. Kali Linux is a powerful penetration testing and ethical hacking platform, and using it in a virtual environment allows you to explore its capabilities safely. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to download the Kali Linux ISO file from the official website. Open your web browser and search for Kali Linux ISO file. Open the first link. Here choose the appropriate version for your system and click on the download link. I will post the link in description. Once the download is complete, you're ready for the next step. If you don't have VMware Workstation installed on your computer, head over to www.vmware.com and download the latest version. Now open Downloads folder and double-click on VMware Workstation Player. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Once the installation is complete, we can move on to setting up the virtual machine. Now open your browser and search 7zip. Open the first link. Here choose the appropriate version. In my case, I am downloading it for Windows. This software is used for extract 7zip files. So after installing 7zip file manager, open it and extract the Kali Linux file in Downloads folder. After completing extraction, launch VMware Workstation and click on Create a new virtual machine. Now, browse to the location where you extracted the Kali Linux ISO file. Select it and click Open. Now that our virtual machine is ready, let's power it on. Select your newly created virtual machine and click on Play Virtual Machine. The Kali Linux installation will start. After the installation is complete, log in with the credentials. Username Kali and password is also Kali. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. Now, you can unleash the power of this versatile hacking and security testing platform in a secure virtual environment. Remember to keep learning and experimenting responsibly. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep exploring.